Hello learners, welcome back for the new video. In this video, we will be discussing decrease rate of growth method for population forecasting. In the previous three videos, we have seen the methods of population forecasting are arithmetical increase method, geometrical increase method, and incremental increase method. Okay, so let's start with the next method, decrease rate of growth method. This method is suitable for a town whose rate of increase in population is decreasing, or it is suitable for a city whose population reaches its saturation value. Okay, this method, the decrease rate of growth method, doesn't mean that the population is decreasing. It's the meaning of this method is there is an increase in the population, but the rate of increase in population is at a decreasing rate. Okay, the rate of increasing population is at a decreasing rate. Okay, you will get clear idea of this this method after during this numerical. Okay, so let's start with this. This method, decrease rate of growth method, can be solved by two ways. You can directly find the population at the end of any year or at the end of any decade by using simple formula. Pn is equal to P naught plus R naught minus N into average decrease rate upon 100 into P naught. This is the formula for decrease rate of growth method. Okay, where the n, you know that all this value Pn, P naught and N, number of decade. Okay, average decrease rate is the average of the decrease rate in the population after every decade. Okay, and R naught is the percentage in increase in population of previous known year. Okay, so I will explain these two terms again in the table also. Okay, so let's draw the table year, then population. Here is 1940, 1950, 1916, 1970. Population is 8,000, 12,000, 17,000, 22,500. Then next, same here also we have to draw the table of we have to draw the column of percentage increase in population, and then percentage in increase in population, and after that the decrease average decrease in the percentage increase. Okay, so first I will draw the column of increase in population, then percentage increase in population. Okay, so there is a from 1940 to 1950 there is an increase of 4,000. Then for the next decade there is an increase of 5,000. Then for the next decade there is an increase of 5,500. Now calculate the percentage increase in population. We know that how to calculate the percentage increase in population. That is 4,000, the increase in population divided by the previous population, that is 8,000 into 100 is equal to 50%. then next value 5,000 divided by 12,000 into 100 is equal to 41.7%, and similarly the percentage increase in population for this decade is 32.4%. This is the these four columns are familiar to you because these last two columns we have seen in the geometrical increase method and the arithmetical increase method also. Okay, so next column is the decrease in the percentage increase, which is the important for this method. Decrease in the percentage increase. This column indicates that how much is the amount of how much is the rate of decrease in population. Okay, how much in the growth rate, sorry. If suppose we know that from 1950 to 1960 for 1940 to 1950 the population is increased by 50%. The rate of population is 50%. For the next decade the rate of population is 41.7%. But if we compare this with the previous if we compare this value with the previous value, there is a decrease in the rate of increase. Okay, there is a decrease in the rate of increase, and this column indicates that how much is the decrease in the percentage increase. Okay, so here we have to write the values. How much is the decrease in the percentage increase? Okay, so from 50% to 41.7%, that means there is a decrease of 8.3%. Okay, then for the next two decades for this 41.7%, and then for the next decade the population is increasing at the rate of 32.4%, but there is a decrease in the percentage increase as compared to previous one. And how much is the decrease? Simply subtract these two, you will get answer 9.3%. okay, so now take the average of these two. You will get the average of these two as 8.8%. okay, this is the average decrease rate. Okay, 8.8 is the value of average decrease rate. You get this value. Okay, and n value is we have seen in previous three-way numericals how to calculate the value of n. P naught is given, R naught is the previous growth rate or the previous percentage in increase. Previous percentage increase is this. For 1980 the previous percentage in increase in population is 32.4. For 1970 the previous percentage in increase in population is 41.7. For 1960 the previous percentage in increase in population is 50,000. okay, so I think you are clear with this R naught value. So start with the actual numerical, and we have to find the population for 2000. okay, you have to find the population for 2000. I have drawn this table over here because I will tell you the another method where you can directly find the population of 2000, 1990, 1980 without using this formula. If you don't want to use this formula, you can find with this with another method that I will explain you later. First we will solve this numerical by this method. Okay, I will explain this formula again. Even if we want to find the population of 2000, we cannot go directly, or we cannot find directly the population of 2000. okay, first we have to find the population of 1980, then 1990, and then 2000, because in this formula the Pn value is if the Pn value is P2000, then P naught value would be P 1990, not 1970. In the previous 2-3 method, we have seen that P naught value is the population of last given decade. It's in this formula, the P naught is the population of last decade. Okay, the population of last decade, which is given or which is not given. Okay. So if you want to find the population of 2000, then we should know the population of 1990. So that's why for that purpose we need to find the population. First we need to find population of 1990. For finding out the population of 1990, we need the population of 1980. That's why by using this formula we cannot directly find the population of 2000 from population of 1970. In this type of method, that is decrease rate of growth method, we have to find the population of 1980, 1990, and then we can find the population of 2000. We cannot directly jump to the population 2000. Okay, so this is the formula. I will explain again. R naught is the percentage increase in population of last decade. Okay, n is the number of decade, n is number and the value of n is always n 1, because the difference between these two population is of 1 decade. That's why this value is 1. So there is no need to write the n here. So, and the average decrease rate divided by 100 into P naught. Or you can write this formula like, or we can simplify that formula. Pn is equal to Pn minus 1, that is the forecasted population is equal to population of last decade plus R naught minus average decrease rate divided by 100 into Pn minus 1. Okay, so let's find the population of, we have to find the population of 2000. So we cannot, as I earlier said, we cannot find the population of 2000 directly. First we have to find the population of 1980. Population of 1980 is equal to population of 1917, which is known to us. R naught value is last population of percentage increase in population of last decade is 32.4% minus average decrease rate, we have calculated it as 8.8 divided by 100 into population of 1970. Okay, so we'll write all this value. Population of 1970 is given as 22,500 plus 32 minus 4 minus 8.8 divided by 100 into 22,500. After solving this, we will get the population of 1980 as 27,810. Okay, so here we have found the value of population population of 1980. So let's find the population of 1990. For the population of 1990, we should know the previous decade's population, that is population of 1980 plus R naught minus average decrease rate upon 100 into population of 1990. Okay, so population of 1980 is 27,810 plus R naught value. Now the R naught value will be different, because R naught value is the percentage increase in population of previous decade. Okay, for here the R naught value is the percentage increase in the population for the decade 1960 to 1970. Here the R naught value is the percentage in increase in population for 1970 to 1980, and that would be, we have to subtract this average decrease rate twice, because there are 2 decades in between 1970 to 1990. Therefore I will write directly here 32.4 minus 8.8 minus 8.8 divided by 100 into 27,810. Okay. After solving this, we will get the population of 1990 as 31,926. So ultimately we have to find the population of 2000, and we need for that we need the population of 1990, and we have found that value. So population of 1990 plus R naught value. Here again from the 32.4% we have to subtract the average decrease rate thrice, 8.8 minus 8.8 minus 8.8, because from 1970 to 2000 there are total 3 decades. Okay, upon 100 into, and the population is population of 1990. So population of 1990 is 31,926 plus 32.4 minus 8.8 minus 8.8 minus 8.8 divided by 100 into population of 1990 is 31,926. After solving this, you will get the population of 2000 as 33,842. Okay. 20. Okay. The another method for method to solve this numerical. Okay, but this method is somewhat hectic, so I will I will explain you. Okay, we know that the decrease in percentage increase is 8.8. okay, the decrease in the percentage increase is 8.8. okay, so from we know we have the value of percentage increase in population for 1970, and we know that the decrease in the percentage increase in 8.8. so for the next decade 1980, the population the percentage increase in population is decreased by 8.8%, because the decrease in the percentage increase is 8.8. so the percentage increase in population for 1980 is 32.4 minus 8.8. This will come as 23.6. okay, this is the percentage increase in population, and we know that the percentage increase population from this from this formula we can you can calculate the percent increase in population, like multiply the percentage increase with the previous population, you will get this answer. So multiply this percentage increase with the previous population, you will get the increase in population. So the increase in population will come as 5310. Then you know that the increase in population is 5310. So add this increase in population in previous population, you will get the population of 1990 as 27810. okay, similarly for the next decade, the decrease in the percentage increase is of 8.8%. so the next percentage increase in population will be decreased by 8.8%. so 23.6 minus 8.8 will be 14.8. again take the 14.8% of 27,810, you will get the increase in population as 4116. then add this value, add this increase in population to the previous population, you will get the population of 1990, and that value is 31926. similarly you can find the population for 2000, 2010, 2020, 2060, any value. But if for that, if you want to find directly the value of 2000, then you need to calculate the population for 1980, 1990. That's why this method is somewhat hectic.